Sir, lovely session, very well moderated.
Thank you.
How has your experience been at India Web Fest 2018 till now?
Fantastic. I think, it might seem like there are too many of these conferences, but I think it's important for us to get a message out there that this is the future. Digital stars are the future. We are the world's largest youth population. And if digital stars are the superheroes for young people, we need to be doing a lot more to put them out. And from a business side, for brands to understand that, and generally for people to appreciate that. You would have noticed that many people in the audience also didn't know who these superstars were that we had on stage right now. And so I think it's a really interesting time. And so all of these conferences help in putting that message out. And I'm super happy to sort of be a part of that and help get that message out.
Do you think anything new could be brought about in terms of content as far as digital goes? What is it that you're looking forward to which is not present right now that you think can be done in future?
So our belief is that we crowdsource the creative input. So in most companies, you will have a creative director. And the role of the creative director is to give an opinion on the creative input. I think all the big broadcasters, the film studios are great at doing that, where they have super creative teams that tell people or take a call on what will work. We think the magic is when you let hundreds and thousands of people express their creativity and let them take a call on what will work. And so the first layer is not actually human, the first layer is analytics. So when 5,000 different ideas are experimented with, you know that these 20 have suddenly popped. And then you can go in there and be a helping hand to scale those. So that's the business that we are in. In the actual internet era, media has not been disrupted in this fashion. Media from the large companies is still approached with, I know what will work, I will put mega bucks behind this and push that. And that's their game. I think there has to be someone who's playing the other side of the spectrum, where there are thousands of really smart creative people, and how to give them a voice and be a catalyst to them. And there is a great business model in that too.
Finally, how would you like to wish IWM Buzz for having put together this conclave?
Fantastic job, always been supportive, and will continue to be so. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Thank you.